of YouTube filled with artists, musicians, athletes, and, well... But you know what? Y'all are all wonderful, and I respect each and every one of your amazing talents, even if it's this. Today I'm going to be introducing a new thing of mine that I've just added to my channel and I'm so excited about. I'm not going to be painting today. As you can see, I'm in my workshop right now. I'm in my bedroom. I'm in my room filled with art and really crazy stuff. So I've made this new station in my room that's gonna be the new addition to the workshop. I'm so excited. Do you see how excited I am? I'm so excited. It's the new addition to my workshop and it's amazing. Well, let me transport you to the new addition to Rosys Workshop. Rosys Sewing Station! Yeah! I'm so excited for this. Her name's Apple because she comes along with this beautiful apple pincushion. It's so cute. And then in there, that's scraps of fabric. Just to give you a little startup of some sewing, I'm going to sew a hole in my sister's blanket. First, we gotta put the thread in. So first we hook it up to here. Then we put it very carefully through the needle. Wow, it's hard. Go in.
One eternity later.
Thanks for joining me today and supporting my new addition to the workshop. This is going to be it for today. There'll be a lot more art painting videos coming your way. And now there will be sewing videos coming your way. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you around.